Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 411 La Coquina, located in Hacienda Del Rio in Edgewater, Florida. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Right outside here, a carport, got a large storage shed, golf cart, covered carport area. Nice Trex decking for hanging out on your front porch. Stepping inside here. This home has a beautiful open floor plan. Nice LVP flooring. This home does feature a brand new air conditioner. Also a warranty that is transferable. Back here, this is your first bedroom. This home actually also has brand new PEX plumbing throughout. Brand new water heater. It's your first bath. Beautiful countertops. Right through here is your master bedroom. Nice closets with plenty of storage. Right here is your master bath with a walk-in shower. Here's your dining room, living room area. Flows into the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops. Cabinets, plenty of storage. Here's another dinette area. Inside laundry, washer and dryer. Right out here is your climate controlled Florida room. Right back here is nice patio sitting area. Perfect for hanging out and grilling. So come on down, check it out. It is 411 La Coquina, located in Hacienda Del Rio in Edgewater, Florida.